this is everything I've got in Korea in 1 week. We're gonna start with food. My boyfriend's mom got me 3 packages of yakgwa, which is a traditional Korean snack which I really like. Then I got this from my boyfriend's mom. This is red dried radish. It smells really good, and you make tea out of it, and it's good for your stomach, your digestive system. And then you can, I guess, say it's food. I got my favorite collagen supplements and collagen gummies. Moving on to accessories, I actually got 2 phone cases from Casetify because they had the Sony Angel cases in Seongsu and they were cheaper than online. So me and my friend, we got one. This is mine. Moving on to skincare. First, I have a few of the Roundup sunscreens in different sets for me and friends and my mom. I've also got 3 of the vitamin C serums by Mediheal. I really like them, and also 2 of them are for my friend. Then I got 2 of these, one for me, one for my brother. These are the Dr. Jart Soothing Spot Relief Spot Treatment, and I really like this. If you have pimples, you're gonna like this too. Then I got 4 PDRN serums. First, I have the one from the pharmacy, which were really famous, the Rejuvenex. I also got the VT Cosmetics PDRN Essence, the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum, and the one I'm most excited about, the Rejuvenex Turnover Ampule PDRN. Then I have pimple patches, a normal one for my brother, and also these magnesium patches with those little needles. Very interesting. Then I got some Mediheal mask, and we have makeup. I actually only got the Too Cool for School Art Class contour because it's my favorite. I also got the Luna concealer palette because mine is empty now. Really like this too. And 2 pairs of my favorite lenses from Olens. These are the Olens Ending. I'm wearing them right now. Just look very natural, like my eyes, so that's why I get them. And then I went to Roman, to the pop-up store, and got a few things. I got the bag free, as well as this cute little pouch, and I also got a key ring and 1 lip tint for free. It's so cute. Then I also got myself a cushion, which I wore in Korea for the whole week almost. Love this one. I got the new Juicy Roll Cheek product. Very interesting, very cute. I really want to do a video with it. And I have 4 more lip products. 1 of the small ones again, 2 of the bigger sizes, and also from the gacha I got a little one. And lastly, I went to Kakao Friends at the airport. My favorite characters are Junshigi and Ryan. So I got myself this Ryan car keychain. Very cute. Also for my car, I got air refreshener. It's so cute, and it had a little propeller. What is it in English? I don't know. Then I got this one because I was missing 1 item to get 10% off. And lastly, I got a little card wallet for my phone because I like to put my card in the back of my phone. And that's everything I've got.